Hey guys, my name is SB Crooks, and for a few days now, or for the next couple of days, I'm going to always be giving you very excellent tips on how to lose a secure partner. For today, one of the most effective ways to lose a secure partner is by testing their affection or trying to emotionally manipulate them. You see, the thing about secure partners is that they know they love you and they are sincere about loving you and they do everything to prove to you that they love you. But when you try to test their affection, when you prank them that you want to break up with them just to see how it makes them feel, when you prank them and tell them that you're not sure of your feelings for them just to see how it makes them feel, they realize that this is not for them and they take their security elsewhere. So if you are trying to lose a secure partner, it's important to know that you should always test their emotional presence. Try to test them to be sure that they still love you. Say things like, if you love me, you will not say this, or if you love me, you will do this. If you love me, you do this. Yes, play those games with them. There we go. You'll be happy.